How we doing out there? My name's Andreas Calzone and welcome to my channel. Let's get to it. I'm gonna take a couple pieces of this white bread. I prefer to use the scissors. Unsalted butter. Pull the wrapper off. Woo! Need that. Back to this lettuce. Just a little bit. Now we need the eggs, most important. Sometimes people like the shell, it's good for your immune system. There we go, a little bit on the bread, going to our oranges. Just a little squeeze. All right, we're gonna add this to our oven. Again, this was at 350 degrees. We're gonna heat this up. Now we're gonna make my protein shake. And you might be asking yourself, what am I cooking? Chef doesn't tell the secrets, that's simple. That's how I work. You're gonna see the finished product and then we're gonna go from there. Bah, that's fine, don't worry about that, Omar. So this bread's done, we have the lettuce done, we got our dressing, and then I cannot...
Is that you?
Really starting to soak.
Open up this window.